and the Magical Backpack. Summer was awesome, but are you ready for a brand new adventure? New friends, new goals, new memories. Let's make this our best year yet. Adventure team, are you ready? Ready! Ready! The sun is shining one last time. Summer gave us days to climb. Now it's time to chase our dreams, bigger than they've ever seemed. Fresh new notebooks, hope so high, smiles and laughter reaching sky. Every classroom, every door holds an adventure to explore. Take a breath, stand up tall, give your very best, that's all. Every challenge, every day helps us grow along the way. Hey! Back to school, here we go. Ready to learn, ready to grow. Hands up high, reach for the sky. This is our moment, let's fly. New ideas, dreams come true. Every day brings something new. Step by step, we'll see it through. The adventure starts with me and you. Hey! Hello teachers, hello friends. A brand new chapter now begins. Questions lead to great discoveries. Every lesson unlocks new mysteries. Read a page, solve a clue, build a dream that's strong and true. Together we can all achieve when we learn and we believe. Pack it, zip it, shoulders back. Confidence inside your backpack. Clap twice, turn around. Show the world your classroom bound. One step, two steps forward now. We're ready and we're starting now. Hey! Back to school, here we go. Ready to learn, ready to grow. Dream it, try it, don't give in. Every adventure starts within. Together we're stronger, together we'll shine. This is our year, now's our time. Back to school, let's make history, me and you. Woo! Every great adventure starts with one first day. So smile, be brave, and have fun learning. Adventure team,